Hey guys, this is my amazing office manager, Kendall, who is absolutely obsessed with chiropractic.
Watching chiropractic videos.
And watching chiropractic videos. Is there anything we should do that would make this video the best video ever?
I mean, I think adjusting everything, like the whole body, limbs, joints, everything.
So we're going to adjust every single thing that we could possibly find on her and make her day. So is there anything going on? Do you have any pain anywhere, or do you feel any restrictions?
I tend to hold stress in my neck, so my neck seems to always be like.
So this is where all of our problems are in this office, right here. Okay.
All in my neck.
Your low back feels good, and your arms and your legs and your feet have not been adjusted in a really long time, huh?
It's been a really long time. So.
We've been neglecting you. Lay face down on the table here, and we're gonna see what we can find. Let's see.
And she's been adjusting my neck face up recently, so that's also been a new thing that.
Okay. So she's talking about my associate, Dr. Kelsey. Kendall grabs whoever's available. Okay. Let's see here. I seriously love this animal print. All right, so take a deep breath in. Breathe out. Move your arms forward just a little bit. And, yeah, right there. And then take a deep breath in again. Breathe out. All right. Not too bad in there. I remember when this used to be horrendous.
So crunchy.
So crunchy. Scoot down just a little bit more. Let's see.
That one feels.
Yeah, it's restricted for sure. Yeah, you can feel it, you know.
Yeah.
You've been adjusted enough times and you're like, that's it, that's what it needs. Okay, let's go in here.
Yeah, right there.
Yep. Look at this. You can narrate these videos now. I don't have to say anything. You're like right there. All right, breathe in again. Breathe out again. This is probably.
It's probably like the best it's ever been.
Yeah, it is. These muscles right here are pretty tight.
Yeah, I can feel that.
The office stress is moving in this direction. Let me do this a little bit. Can you handle it?
Yeah.
You're ticklish?
Yes.
Here. Are your feet ticklish?
Yes.
Okay, so adjusting your feet is going to be like, just strap your feet down. So when I press on these areas, like right here, and you're like, oh, that needs it. What are you feeling?
It's a lot more sore and tender than like the rest of the muscles and the joints.
Yep. All right.
That was so high.
That was so high.
Like I felt like it was really high up.
I love how you know exactly what moves where it is. These are lower down. They're even moving already. Stay like so. There you go. Nice.
Nice and crunchy.
My favorite chiropractic video that we've ever done was when I adjusted your neck like that. It must have been like 2 years ago.
And it was so loud.
And then
like,
you go,
oh, yeah.
Yes, you go, oh, yes.
I literally, that was just on the TV today, so I
Really?
always hear myself.
It is my favorite chiropractic, post-chiropractic relief sound is just Kendall going, oh, yes.
That's so funny.
All right, so let's check in here. Are you relaxed? Oh, your poor feet. Don't move or you're fighting me.
No, I'm relaxed.
Yeah, that's needs some help. Do your feet hurt ever?
Like when I run sometimes, especially if I don't wear like the right type of shoes.
Gosh, this is like okay, we're gonna have to do some. I didn't know your feet were so restricted.
I didn't know that they were restricted either.
You didn't feel it move like that on your left side. Yeah,
No,
the left side definitely. So like that even moves pretty well.
So loud.
It's like your neck. Okay, I want to do these. All right.
I guess I don't really pay attention to my feet, so.
Yeah, most people neglect their feet until they're so bad that.
Yeah, they can like barely walk.
Yeah.
I guess like I've been on my feet a lot more lately though than
running around this place.
Yeah.
Do you have arch support in your shoes?
No.
No. Have you ever? Like, did you ever have orthotics?
No. I do have like my shoes that I run in though have a lot better like they're more like shoes that are like kind of made for that, so they have a lot better arch support than like just like my shoes that I wear around the office.
Yeah.
Which I run a lot less than I'm in the office.
But you get like 10 miles in every week. Let's see. Is that ticklish for you, or
It's actually not. It's not terrible.
your toes are all like woo? I know. I thought you were gonna be like squirming off the table,
But like whenever I get like pedicures and stuff, like
Oh.
it's so bad. Like I'm like holding on for dear life.
Well, your toes look good.
Thanks.
Okay, that might be wrong. Yeah. So do you feel that?
I
Compare-
literally. How do I never?
Yeah.
noticed that before?
So just keep this relaxed. Do you feel how that's
Yeah.
kind of springy right there?
Mhm.
And then this side is like, it just like
stuck.
brick wall.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Well, I guess we have anything to work on.
yes, finally. We've kept you in such good shape. It's like,
I feel that.
yeah.
Actually, that's really funny that you say that because I've actually been having problems with that foot.
Oh.
Like it's not like when I'm walking, it's like if I get out of the car and I like, you know when you jump out of something tall and like you land out of on your feet wrong,
Like
the
you're
nerve-
a 10-foot truck. You're a
Yeah.
lifted truck.
But like you know you can feel it like in your like it's a nerve thing and you land on it like the nerve like sends like a shooting pain.
Yeah, have you been feeling that inside?
Yeah. But it's like even if I land on it like if I just get out of the car like normal, sometimes if I don't land on it like perfect,
You feel it a little bit.
it's like
So there was something going on
I didn't
here.
even think about that. Oh my gosh. And it's that foot, it's not the other foot.
Yeah, because this one's not. So like if you land on this one and it's just, so keep this relaxed. You land on this side and it's like kind of springy and like, oh, okay.
Yeah.
This side you land on it, it's like.
Yeah, that makes so much sense because it happened once and then it just gets like worse and worse now. Actually.
There we go. It moved. It moved.
Oh my gosh.
So Kendall drives this truck that I needed a ladder to get into. Your knee.
Yeah.
Your knee too.
Everybody's knee.
Keep this like on. That's actually okay. All right. Okay. So I'm not done with you yet, but I want you to stand up and kind of walk a little bit and tell me how that foot feels.
It definitely feels like it flows like a lot.
Does it feel different?
Yeah.
So now, if it gets stuck again, you'll be able to recognize that it's not normal, right?
Oh
So
my gosh, we found something I didn't even know I had.
I know, that's why chiropractic's amazing. Here, have a seat here because I want to check your arms too and see how does this area feel right now?
It feels great. It
Feels
feels
good.
a lot less relaxed. It's not like nearly as tense.
More relaxed.
More relaxed, yes.
Okay.
A lot more relaxed.
She's so relaxed that she's twisting her words. Yeah, that hasn't been adjusted in a minute either. Good. That's pretty good. Oh
our best elbow.
man, that's the best elbow. You've been adjusted before. That was pretty stuck in there too. So you know if someone's been adjusted a couple times when they stick out each finger because they know what's happening next. All right, go like this and then keep your hand here.
I don't think you've ever done this with me before.
Ah, it's a new one. So we've neglected your ankle and your shoulder. All right, so hold on here so it doesn't go anywhere. And on the count of 3, you're gonna go backwards that way against my hand, okay? 1, 2, 3. Oop, keep your hand there. Hold on tight, right? 1, 2, 3. And do it one more time. 1, 2, 3. It's fine there. This one is, that side was fine. But like, hold on real tight because otherwise your hand's gonna wanna move. And then you're gonna go backwards here on the count of 3. Like you mean it, like you're knocking somebody out behind you. 1, 2, 3. Yep, it moved and my hand slipped. All right, so I'm gonna check your ears.
Okay.
I know, you had this done like once?
Once. Only
Okay.
once. It was like a couple weeks ago. And
Okay, and why did Dr. Kelsey think to do that? Or like what was going on that you felt
It
like
kind
you
of
needed
felt like I needed something to drain. It felt like something was kind of clogged in
Okay.
there, and it was like one of the best.
Did you hear it
adjustments.
moving around?
Yes.
Yeah, okay.
You can feel it. It's kind of whenever like when you blow your nose and like
Your ears
everything.
pop?
Yes,
Yeah.
like that's kind of what it felt like.
Okay, so let's see how this is here. So keep your head straight, don't let me like pull you over, okay? Does that hurt at all?
Mm-mm.
I'm gonna have to actually, hold on a second. I'm gonna slip if I don't do this. Let's see. So, that one wasn't too bad actually.
In my head, it sounds so loud.
Oh, you did hear? That's so funny. So you did hear. So sometimes those are really audible to everybody, and other times it's.
Yeah, last time it was pretty loud.
Yeah. Well, it's good because that means that it got better, right?
Yeah.
Let's get down.
It's definitely one of my favorite adjustments.
Really?
Between
Did that
and
feel?
neck
That was.
adjustment.
Is that the second time that you've had that done?
Yeah, ever.
Did that felt different than the first time, right?
Mm-hmm.
It's good.
Yeah.
Yeah, that one that usually holds pretty well when I do that with people too. Like the first time you do, it's like the Y strap. The first time you do it, it's like, oh my gosh.
I know. So I wish we would have recorded it because it was loud
Yeah.
and like it was like instant relief. Like as soon
That's
as she
good.
did it,
That's
yeah.
good.
So it's
Okay, so did we miss anything? How do you feel right now?
I feel all nice and loose. Like I
Good. Is there anything that we haven't done with you?
I think we've done just
Everything?
about everything
Okay.
except for like adjusting like my neck in the chair
and
or like
stuff
just
like that.
different ways. But you always get so many
Yeah.
whenever
I mean,
I'm laying down.
you're just like the best chiropractic patient. She's such an amazing chiropractic patient. She works here. Thank you so much for letting us video this.
Thank you.
And thank you for being the most awesome office manager in the whole world.
Thank you for being the best chiropractor.
Thanks, guys.
Wow.